Tag. 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 She's coming.
Team, Mom.
Team?
Yeah. Team. 잠깐만, 나 탐이 안 와서요.
Julin, umayos ka dyan. Wow. No, I need to do... Jilana, I have to do my video. We're waiting for Daddy. Ganda ng panahon, guys. Ganda ng panahon. Kumusta na, Mikay? Saan ka na, Mikay? Saan na si Mikay? Balita sa'yo. Hello, Chay. Shalane, ayan. Ganda ng panahon, guys. Busy. Busy sa buhay. Grabe, oy. Busy sa trabaho. Ayan, ito na lang yan. Hello, MJ. Si Jade, nagbe-baseball. Don't do tag now. Just jump, anak. It's no fun tagging without Daddy. Saka na, Mikay? Tag-ulan. O nga, summer dito ngayon. Misa may ulan din. Andun si Grandma. Oh, wow. I'll go visit with Grandma. Work. Oh, work. That's good. Trabaho. Oo nga, trabaho. Walang kailangan magtrabaho talaga, guys. Basta may makakuha ng extra, go for it. Yan. Andun sila na. Touch, Grandma. No, it's okay. I thank you, MJ. Oh, did Daddy put it higher? Why you cannot get in?
It's too high.
Why? Who put it higher? Oh, there you go. Bakit di ka maka... Oh. Buti nilinisan mo yun. Maghapon mong ginawa?
Maghapon lang. Paano hindi man lang niya mo?
Paano matrabaho naman yun?
Parang maganda sana makita yung ano. Ngayon hindi maliwanag na siya.
Everybody move. Oh, wow. Ang galing nga. Okay. No, you're not gonna hit Grandma. Oh, see? You're not gonna hit Grandma. I hit you, Grandma. Nakagat na naman ng lamok. Oh, kapit. Don't touch your Pepe. No. Look at Jewel. Hi, Jewel. Ba't ganun na yung mukha ni Jewel? Parang nag-iba na yung mukha niya. Yung mukha ni Jewel. Matanda na rin. Kay dad mo lang si Jewel, mother. Really? Again. Okay.